All right, here is the cuckoo clock movement. It's a regular cuckoo clock movement one day. It has been repaired at least a couple times. And I can see there's quite a bit of wear in some of the pivots. You can see that one of the past repairmen has closed holes by punching the holes. There's also bushing put in, but it was missized, so it had to be soldered in. So that we'll take care of that too. But what I want to show in this video is the pivot, the pivot wear. If you look at that hole right there, this is one of the bad ones. Okay. So if I rock the wheel back and forth, you can see how that pivot is rocking back and forth in the wheel. It's happening on every one of these holes that I have marked. Let me turn around to the other side. And you can see there's 4 of them on this side too. And you can see on the this wheel here, lots of wear. Usually when there's wear, there's also very dirty oil, as you can see here. So it's time to get to work. I'll take another picture of it after it's complete. You can see the difference in how it looks. I'm not sure if you can see some of the dirt that's inside, but it's really dirty. So that's not good, but we'll take care of that also.